na de ekobi enyi bia no yenso abohu dawuru a kire Ghana fo se de budget no a no bi ehwe ni mu na de hwelema e bogu masum kire se a omo de NDC for the renters bi ba obia yi na so no nti e budget no.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right here on Ghana TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Charlie, hey. There's a new tax that is coming. A new tax. Second of all, someone pay e-levy. And now almost as they pay emission tax. Omu pay betting tax. Omu pay them COVID levy. Send this for promise you must be in a free one. Some way, and I'm way. I say I can't COVID tax. Some way, and now media. My assignment is simple. I'm just here to tell you that our 2025 budget. Ato force and so your economist to so your accountant to intimate. Budget already, you know. Tax people who are friend rent tax. Then rent tax. Na kopo bebre omu sa rent tax no. Ni ebeye. Mami nchire. Majority of Ghanaians are in rented apartments. Per the last population census, you know, that is the discovery. So you must be brave. You rented apartments, you were landlords. Now, NDC abansi, obi biya or rented apartment biya muno. Uko cha renter. Government will have a tax side to take on the rent. So let's say, for instance, you see the way agents operate. The agent be copy daima. Now, upe daina na person tia kama daina. The agent will take, let's say, I'm told 1 month from 1 month rent from the total money. So you pay, ideally you pay 13 months, and then 1 month is for the agent. Now, John Mahama government see moving forward no. Instead of that 13 months rent, I'll bet you, you share year, I'll bet you 14 months rent. They say 1 year, 2 months. Now, so 1 year, 2 months, no, 1 month back, it is for government. Then 1 month will be for agent. Before 12 months will be for landlord. Now, you see, if you thought betting tax was worse, then sorry to disappoint you, because how many of us even bet? Me, I mean betting. And to look for tax, not this tax, no, only two betting so. Me and family, because me betting so, there's no way I'm going to win and you take 10%. But you cannot decide whether you want to rent or you don't want to rent. Something by all means will get you to rent.
Renters in the sense is better say if you bia. That's the idea better say if you bia dear can we say wo car down with you no. Any also if you read the baso. If it's to a man others here to building materials more if you ras here to building materials we go akura down with 1940 20 something and so no what they baso. Eti says here renters ebe bani dear Ghana for your catch them. Ya kayo mo see ya the friend the levy youth no mo see the levy aba enti mo bu afu ama moto abeti ya yen sesi ya no tasia NDC for dey bani die ene ye levy kura mfa no ye levy aka se omunyi furo na ye hwe ni mu se omunyi be ye furo so ma ye furo dia na campaign de ye na che so ma da yen enti se me de make any renters no mo dey ba no uti fie bia mu a se fie rajo 10,000 ka wunu so do be ko be se 15,000 and you'll be in the then this is the Kotobe Kuma. Or don't go up here, Yamisha, baby, I will be a champo, which are little.
There are people who have their homes or their own houses, and they are in Accra, but because of work, they are in Takwa, they are in Uzlezu, they are in Ashaiman. You get it? So because of the distance, you cannot be waking up and be driving every day to work. You will have to rent somewhere and spend maybe at the week there. So even you going to do that, government to require from you, say you have to pay a percentage of your rent. And Ghana business is such a way that if you tax maybe a landlord, no, he will pass the rent to the tax to the tenant. That is how business operate in Ghana. If you tax ABR, say sanitary pad, at where it is being maybe brought in bulk quantity, in the end, that tax is going to affect the unit price on the shelf. So this is what NDC is doing. And you see, all these things are not things that we are not warned Ghanaians about. We all know, say, there are ways of developing an economy. And it's simple, pretty simple. Why is it simple? All over the world, nations are built based on taxes. US, UK, Canada, France, Germany, Belgium, Luxembourg, Lithuania, Italy, Greece, name them, Netherlands, France, Portugal, Spain, wherever you go, those advanced nations that we look up to. People pay taxes. They pay property tax. They pay other levies. And they understand, say, it is those taxes that the government will use to develop the country. But we have allowed politicians to be playing with our emotions to make us think, say, there is a shortcut somewhere that they can do without taxes. And there are two things. Either you go for taxes or you go for a loan. Now, going for loan is a more expensive way of developing a nation. And this we know. Anything Akufo-Addo buy no beka say Ghana beyond aid. Ghana beyond aid. And I say loan. That has been the objective of Akufo-Addo MPP government. Did they achieve that? I leave you to decide. I don't think they've achieved that. Right? But you see, it is a process. It's a process. The World War II ended in 1944. But till now, there are nations that are still paying damages. Now, COVID, just 2022, COVID is even still with us. Ghanaians were doing as though tax ayetiano ekwa Akufo-Addo botomu ekoba omia botomu ade no wudwi ho kra won ti ase enti mu mpe emission mu mpe 11 no they say rent tax na mpe rent tax no na mpe. But see, that's what we opted for. This is the Ghana we opted for. Next time uko baby now ti resetter ubejani. When you hear reset, you will run back to factory settings. You will run. Now we are all in it. Now who is suffering most? We are all suffering. Rent tax. He said, my landlord said here. He said, I'm better than the best friend because rent no crap before you get your rent. And easy. After your bambe be free so. You will have to top it up. And rent tax. This has been the political rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and CMTV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.